In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly create custom callout blocks in Notion. If you're familiar with Notion, you already know it's a powerful tool for organizing your thoughts, tasks, and projects. Today we'll add another layer to your Notion experience by showing you how to make your notes pop with custom callout blocks. This can be especially useful for highlighting important information, making your workspace not only functional, but visually appealing too. Let's dive right in. Start by navigating to your connected workspace within Notion. This is going to be your command center for organizing wikis, documents, and projects. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and click on the Login button. Ensure that you have all your login credentials handy for a smooth and quick access process. Once you're logged into your Notion account, it's time to access your Notion home. This is where you'll get an overview of all your pages and projects. Don't worry if your homepage is bustling with different items. The beauty of Notion is in how customizable it is, fitting your needs exactly as required. With your homepage open, you'll want to select a specific page to work on. It can be any page where you feel a callout block would be beneficial. These pages can range from meeting notes, project lists, to personal to-do lists. Once you've chosen the right page, open it up. This page is about to get some stylish enhancements. Now, here's the trick to adding a callout block. Simply type the / followed by the word callout. As soon as you type this, Notion will present you with a drop-down menu of options, and you should see the callout block ready to be selected. This is a nifty shortcut to save time and keep your workflow efficient. Once you've clicked on callout, a new callout block will appear on the page. It's a colorful block designed to attract attention. You can type directly in this block, entering any text that you want to stand out. Tips or instructions, a motivational quote, or a critical reminder. The choice is yours. Feel free to customize the icon or background color to make it more in tune with the rest of your design theme, or simply to differentiate various callouts from each other. By using callout blocks, you give your notes structure and emphasis, making important information quickly accessible at a glance. So there you have it. In just a few simple steps, we've transformed regular notes into engaging and, more importantly, more effective callout blocks. Keep experimenting with different styles and formats to find what works best for you and your workspace. Once you get the hang of it, you'll find callout blocks are an invaluable tool in your Notion arsenal. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!